Welcome to Olaf's Oldtimer. So we are getting closer to where we want to get. I've been here some days now, and following to the short video I will add some sequences which I filmed from my phone, because I have been to a local garage who checked the car and said the rear wheel bearings are not so good, because I told him there's quite some noise during driving, and also the differential might need a makeover. And I looked under the car and there's some oil seepage, so I really need to look into that. And I had the front wheels changed, and I only have some pictures of that and a real short video sequence. So today, obviously it's hot again. I guess you can see it. I'm sweating in the car. I just want to show you starting procedure so you can listen to the engine for a second, and then I guess I'm going to the beach and enjoy the nice weather today. So good. You can't really see this, but it's a very steep hill where I parked. So I have the foot brake, actually handbrake, pressed down pretty hard. The car is in gear, which I will change right now. Then I'll turn the ignition on, and you see there is power and the brake is on. Then here I have the idle adjuster, which I will turn on, because otherwise while idling, when the engine is cold, the car won't idle that nice. And here we have the starter button. So I pull it and I pre-glow, and if you like you can count the seconds. Here in the middle there's an indicator which starts to glow once the engine is preheated sufficiently. Then I will pull the starter. The engine will come on immediately, I think. Then I let it go and we're ready to go. So let's see. So as the sun is out, it's not that visible, but I can tell you it's glowing red right now. So let's see what happens. As it is a very modern car, I have a modern seat belt. So let's go, and first stop will be the gas station, because I already drove quite a bit. Nice, no? And you hear a belt squealing. The car has a new generator fitted before I bought the car with a new belt, and I assume that the owner before me didn't really pull it tight, so I need to do that. The squealing noise is gone latest after 5-minute drive. Now you can't hear it maybe when we accelerate on the road down there. You see, some things need some TLC in this car, but the engine is running so smoothly. It's cold now, and I think you can hear how nice it's idling. Nice, isn't it? We do have a horn, and it's very, very loud. Yeah, so today, time to go to the beach. My friend suggested a beach which is rather nice and is 40-45 minute drive from here, which is good, because very soon I'll board the ferry, and I want to find out everything about the car while I'm here still, while I have a chance to go to somebody I know to fix the car, because the connection with the ferry is from Las Palmas, Gran Canaria to Huelva, southern Spain. Of course that's the mainland, that's good, but I don't know anybody there, so let's see. bit of concentration needed here. Small roads, local people always fast. I'm not, obviously. And now I'll turn the idle down. Maybe you can hear it. Engine is running smooth and idling. And as the microphone is not with me right now, but with a camera, you might hear the squealing from the rear wheel bearings. So, as I said, I'm going to the nearest gas station. The tank is a bit over, well, we have a third left, I guess, but who knows if this gauge is still working. Otherwise, everything technically is working, every light, every gauge, but I never know. So, as I'm going back and forth for 1.5 hours, I don't know how many kilometers that is, I'd rather fill up the car this morning, which will be a pleasure because on the Canarian Islands the gas is not taxed as it is in the rest of Europe, so it's rather cheap to fill it up here. A liter of diesel is about euro 17 to euro 14, so that's very, very low. Just to compare, in Germany right now we have euro 55, euro up to euro 60 per liter. Here, €1 and let's say 15 cents. And we will see in a second. We are here right now, and today it's euro and 17. Rather expensive for here, but well, very nice. So, I'll go to the beach, and now you'll see some footage from the repair shop and from the new tires. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.
Pero no me suena a mí a...
No.
No, esto es diferencial. Si no vibraría... Sí. Si no vibraría...
Fíjate primero adelante, ¿no? El de adelante es el único que quiero.
No, pero esto como va apretado el niple y esta unión aquí, sí, ¿vale? Donde tiene un poquito de fuga es la parte baja, pero todos ellos terminan fugando gasoil por ahí. Pero, ¿vale? De aquí, por la parte.